Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to swap, trade or convert USDT into FAT on KuCoin. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you'll have to do is to go over to Markets in the top left. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, you want to make sure that you have stablecoin displayed as USD selected. You'll then need to click on USDT, and once you've done that, you can go over to the search bar and search for FAT USDT. You'll then see this pair pop up and you'll need to click on it. Now, you'll be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page, you want to go over to the place order section that's in the bottom right. You'll then have to fill in your trading password, and if you forgot your trading password, you can watch this video I've made on how to reset it, and once you've done that, you'll see a menu looking similar to this one. And you can now go ahead, go over to Market, and now all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of USDT you would like to swap, trade or convert into FAT. Once you've filled in the right amount, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on Buy FAT. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.